Rhys and I have had a ball so far on our caravanning adventure. Last on our to-do list is to explore South Gippsland's stunning scenery.
Mate, did you know this was here?
I most certainly did. Did my research.
It's absolutely beautiful.
Located in the Strzelecki Ranges, about 40 minutes from Yarram, Terra Bulga National Park is an oasis of cool, temperate rainforest.
Mate, did you know this park is known for its giant mountain ash and beautiful fern gullies?
More importantly, the mountain ash is the tallest flowering plant in the world.
That's impressive. Mate, can you believe it? We have had perfect weather all week. We come here and it's raining.
Well, after all, it is a rainforest.
Oh,